Okay, so welcome back to another artifacts video. So say we have this point, right? You can see that these 3D layers, they don't actually intersect at the moment. Say we wanted to make them intersect, right? So the way we could do that is we could put this one back to where the other one is, right? And you can see that intersection point, right? Okay, so let's just look at how that is going to work. They're certainly intersecting there, right? There's no doubt about that. But here's the thing, right? If we move one of these layers around, let's see what happens. The other layers are all 2D layers, right? So we're going to move this one over up here. You notice no longer they're intersecting. So that's kind of like an interesting point with regards to, this is just like, it's just the layer order, right? What it means basically is that if you have 3D layers in a group, they kind of converge into one thing. So they all like count as one layer. So that's why you get the intersections. So if you wanted to like break apart and you wanted to combine 2D and 3D elements, the way to do that is you just basically have something in the middle. So for instance, this could just be an adjustment layer or it could be nothing. It doesn't have to be. I just happen to have a picture here, but that is the way to do it, right?